we're going to be taking a look at the different types of router bits that Craftsman makes. There's two particular kits that I particularly like, that I find that are cost conscious. There's one kit that Craftsman makes. It's a 10-piece carbide tipped set. It's model number 26002, and then there's another one. It's a 30-piece kit that's model number 26366. The 10-piece kit sells for $59.99 and the 30-piece kit sells for $79.99 on sale, but it normally retails at $119 or so. And we're going to take a look at it. So this is the 10-piece kit. It comes with a 1/2 inch cove bit, then a 1/2 inch roundover, a 3/8 inch beading bit, a 1/4 inch Roman ogie, a 45 degree chamfer, a 3/4 inch, 1/2 inch straight, a 5/8 inch V-groove, a 1/2 inch dovetail, and a 3/8 inch core box. Craftsman's bits they're okay. They're pretty decent. The reason I chose these over other brands is because the name Craftsman's been around a long time, and a lot of other people use them, and it's got decent reviews online. They're not your premium router bits, but they're how do you open this? Okay. So you can't open this without tearing it open. Okay, well, let's move forward a little bit. So the reason I chose them is because I know they're carbide tipped, and Sears is still around, so I have at least a year to return them, and I think it's a good buy. But anyways, this is a better buy. This is the 1/4 inch shank 30-piece carbide tipped router bit set, and oh yeah. Okay. What we get with this kit is, take a look at it. We get a 1/8 inch straight, a 1/4 inch straight, a 5/16 inch straight, 3/8 inch straight, 1/2 inch straight, 3/4 inch straight, a 1/8 inch roundover, a 1/4 inch flush trim, 3/8, 1/2 inch flush trim, a 1/2 inch flush trim, 1/2 by 1 inch flush trim, a 1/4 inch veining, a 1/4 inch panel pilot. Note also the guides that these guys come with, so that's kind of nice. And then there's also the 3/8 inch dovetail, the 1/2 inch dovetail, 1/2 inch core box, 1/4 inch Roman ogie, the 3/16 inch classic cove with bead, the 3/8 inch brabetting, the 1/2 inch round nose, 3/8 inch keyhole, 1/2 inch 90 degree V-groove, 1/2 inch mortising, and then down here we have the 1/2 inch roundover, the 3/8 inch roundover, the 1/2 inch roundover, the 1/2 inch bead and cove, the 1 3/8 inch 45-degree chamfer, the 1/2 inch cove, and then the 1/4 inch cove. I drove 400 miles times 2 to pick up the 30-bit case because my local store didn't carry it. And I did so while I picked up my router table, the aluminum router table. So I also got this nice little utility knife. So what we'll do is we'll unbox this guy. I'm not going to keep this one because for $79.99 versus $59, this was the better deal. And all of these bits are in here. So it's very sharp. Wow. Okay, I also want to talk to you guys about this guy. I got a bunch of bits on eBay for like $3 to $6 a piece. This is the 1/2 inch shank. I think they're good quality. This is what they look like. This is simply for making frames, but it's got a nice carbide bit to it, plus the guide, and it's 1/2 inch shank. We're gonna do a test trial on these guys using my router, which I'll be using this one first. But in the meantime, this guy, open this. It comes in a nice case. One of the things you always want to keep in mind whenever you are using router bits is to never ever drop a router bit, because you could damage the carbide tip. So this case is kind of crappy in the sense that it's falling apart. I asked the store to give me a discount because this was falling apart and they didn't. But I went to a Sears Hometown store. I don't like Sears Hometown stores. They're privately owned and they don't have any of the benefits of the corporately owned stores. Okay, so this is made of plexiglass. Nice case. Alright, hope everybody can see. Okay, so the 1/2 inch cove. Do we have that? We have the 1/2 inch cove there. 1/2 inch roundover. 1/2 inch roundover is there. The 3/8 inch beading. Okay. There is no 3/8" beading. Okay, so you get that with this kit if you're looking for that. 1/4 inch Roman ogie. 1/4 inch Roman ogie. 45° chamfer was thought I saw that. Oh. Okay, so this doesn't have the 45° chamfer. Okay, that's 2 bits as it doesn't have. Wow. Okay. Well, there it is. 45° chamfer. 1 3/8. Okay, 40. 3/4, 1 inch, 1/2. Straight. So we have a 1/4 straight. 3/4. There's our 3/4, 1/2 inch straight. Okay. 5/8 inch V groove. This is 1/2 inch V groove. Okay, it doesn't have the 5/8 inch V groove. So this kit has the 5/8 inch V groove. And 1/2 inch dove tail. Oh, there it is. 1/2 inch dovetail and 3/8 inch core box. This has a 1/2 inch core box, so no 3/8 inch core box. So automatically, you're getting at least 2 different bits in this kit. If you got money, you can get both kits, but I didn't. I only bought one of them, and I don't want to destroy the customer who's going to buy this kit, so I'm not going to open it. But I trust it to some, just like that guy. Alright, so we're returning that one. Okay, so let's just take a look. Let me just, so this, wow, it's hard to take out of there. That's good. Let's just compare the Chinese bit with the other Chinese bit, the Craftsman Chinese bit. So, if you can see that, we'll just put this guy back. And let's just look at these two guys. So, you're looking at pretty much the same quality. For some reason my camera moved while I was filming. Maybe it didn't. Okay. So basically, I think if you buy these Chinese bits on eBay, you're getting almost as good a quality. I just wanted to point out my Craftsman kit. And we're gonna run these. So here's everything again. Alright, so this is what you get with your kit. You get straight, a dovetail, round nose, V-groove, flush trim, keyhole, cove, round over, bead cove, classic cove and bead, Roman ogie, rabbiting, veining, core box, mortising, panel pilot, chamfer. You can pick this up right now at Sears for $80. It'll go back up in price for $120. We put together our Craftsman router table, and we are ready to do some routing. I have the variable speed router made by Craftsman as well underneath.